What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Digo coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at my full Nike ESC collection. Now the retail for all these pieces was $2,900, so let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. I do have individual videos up of all these pieces, and I will drop that in the description below. This whole collection is made in Italy, and it's supposed to be every stitch considered, so it's supposed to be super high quality. And I'm guessing that's where they kind of get the pricing. I think this collection was super dope. I just wish that they would have priced it a little better. I think the pricing was a little outrageous for some of the pieces. And as you guys can see on the website now, they've kind of adjusted some of the prices. So when they first came out, some of the stuff was $700, and now they dropped it to like $500. And then also like on the tee, it was $240 before, and now it's like $100. But let's get into the first piece. I don't want to make this video too long because I have individual videos up on all these pieces. I'm just going to give you guys a quick little run through of what I have and how much I spend on everything. The first piece we're going to go over is the Nike ESC woven jacket. Now this jacket retailed at $700. If you look on their site now, they have it up for $500. So like I said, they kind of cut down on the price a little bit. And if you look at the jacket, it's just 100% nylon, and it's actually a pretty heavy jacket that'll keep you pretty warm. And it's pretty plain. All it comes with is 3 pockets, 2 on the front and then 1 on the back. And then you have a small Nike swoosh, which is on every one of these pieces. They all have small little Nike swooshes, and then they all contain like a zip pocket, except for the shirt, obviously. Now moving on to the second piece, which I have 2 of, is the Nike ESC hoodie. I have it in the navy colorway and in the black colorway. Now this is similar to the Nike ESC jacket. It is super nice, but it's made out of a different material. It's made out of 100% cotton versus nylon. And it's super heavy and will keep you extremely warm. This is a really good piece for the winter. And it also contains 3 pockets. This time they moved the zip pocket from the back on like the Nike ESC woven jacket, and they put in the front. So you have 2 front pockets, and then you have a zip front pocket on the right side of the ESC hoodie. Now moving on to the third piece, which is the Nike ESC shorts, were retailed at $360, which is kind of insane. They contain 5 pockets, 2 on the back, and then has 3 on the front. And the ones in the front has 2 front pockets, and then it has a zip pocket inside of one of the front pockets, which is similar to the hoodie. The shorts are also made out of 100% cotton, and they are above the knee cut. Moving on to the fourth piece, which is the Nike ESC pullover, which retailed at $350. Personally, I'm just not a fan of this fit. It's my least favorite piece out of the collection. I wish they would have made it a little bit more oversized, just too tight in my personal opinion. I also purchased this piece in the black colorway. The Nike ESC pullover is similar to the hoodie. They both contain thumb holes, and then the ESC pullover has just 1 pocket on the back that's zipped. Now moving on to the final piece, which is the Nike ESC tee, which was really overpriced. It was $240, and it's just super thin. It doesn't feel that high quality. The fit is really nice, I must say, and this is actually the only piece that I sized down in. All the other pieces I got an XL, and this one I got in a large, and it fits me perfect. I just think at $240 that was ridiculous. It does contain the small Nike swoosh on the back, and then it has perforated holes everywhere on the tee. It reminds me of like a higher quality fly knit. It's super thin, and it's just made out of 100% cotton. So that was a quick overview of my full Nike ESC collection. If you guys want to see more details, check out the videos in the description below. Now I'm going to tell you guys what I paid for everything. I ended up getting the jacket, which is the most expensive piece, at $700. I ended up purchasing it at $100, which was a super steal, and it was the first piece I got in the collection, which actually got me interested in it just to check it out. One of my bros hooked me up, so thank you for that. Now moving on to the next piece, I got the navy blue ESC hoodie, and then I got the black pullover and the black shorts, all for $300, which was a super steal. I ended up getting those off of eBay, and this was all a while ago. I've had these pieces for a while. I haven't got any new ESC pieces for a bit. I think the latest piece I got was the tee, and then the next piece I got, which I believe I spent like $120 on, was the black hoodie, which is a major steal in my opinion. I like the navy hoodie, but I always wanted the black one. The full collection I've gotten in the black colorway. They have made some tan ones that look super nice. Now moving on to the final piece, which is the Nike ESC tee. I spent $70, which I think was a major steal. And that brings up my grand total to $590. So that's 6 pieces for $590. So I ended up spending a little less than $100 on each piece, which compared to retail for $2,900, I think was a great deal. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted to bring you guys this quick video of just kind of my whole overview of the collection. If you guys want to see more details, like I said, look in the description below. I'll get you guys all the products linked. Hope you guys really enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I post a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech and a bunch of heat unboxings. So check that out.